Hello, I am Aruna Venkatesh, a full-time PhD student in the School of Design, and my chief supervisor is Dr. Henry Ma and my co-supervisor is Dr. Sandy Ng. I have an educational background in architecture and interior design and also work experience in interior design. And my research topic is tacit knowledge construction in design education. So, what is tacit knowledge? Tacit knowledge is knowledge which we know, but we cannot tell, and design is full of such examples such as aesthetics, intuition, spatial perception, creativity. Now, these are difficult to articulate and acquire in design education. Traditionally, its acquisition has been dependent on the learning by doing model, where the student constructs and internalizes this knowledge. But there are other dimensions as well, for example, the social environment which facilitates and shapes tacit knowledge construction. So, my research is an explorative research studying the process of students' tacit knowledge construction using a multi-dimensional approach, and I am using spatial understanding as an example of tacit knowledge in the context of the interior design studio. So, I am using I have chosen the environment and interior design department of the School of Design as my case study, and around 8 students and their tutors were participants in the study. They were intensively followed, observed and interviewed during a course of 2 years in all different studio years, and the findings of this research were interpreted and consolidated as different themes, and a key linkage which was found was the role of critical conversations in tacit knowledge construction. So, what this means is, to acquire tacit knowledge, ideas and experiences have to be critically analyzed and evaluated through multiple perspectives or dialogues through the social interactions in the studio, and these are then articulated and explicated. Therefore, critical conversations form a link between the tacit and explicit knowledge, and therefore, I think it has to be a pedagogical tool for tacit knowledge construction. And the outcomes of the research were developed to make a framework which can help educators facilitate its construction in the studio, and I have also included suggestions, teaching suggestions for educators. I think tacit knowledge needs to be in the limelight of design education because it can help students transform into independent and efficient learners and also harness their abilities as future innovators. And the study can also inform non-design disciplines to give them an understanding of the unique ways in how design students construct their tacit knowledge and how it can push creative boundaries. In the future, I see my study being a prominent feature of discussions in AI and craft related design skills, the blending of these two technologies, and also especially my contribution would be towards blended learning environments, that is a blending of physical and virtual learning spaces. Thank you very much for giving me the opportunity to share my research with you. If you have any questions, please email me. The email is here. Thank you.